So here we go. So I was able to make 3 and 1/3 cups from the 4 pounds of pumpkin. So you can use this to make your any kind of like pumpkin desserts. You can use it for muffins, for breads, for bars, or you can turn it into a pumpkin pie filling by adding some pumpkin spice, cloves, nutmeg, cinnamon, or all those traditional fall spices. Now, if you can keep this refrigerated for about like 5 days. If you think that you won't be able to finish it within 5 days, I suggest that you actually freeze it. So the way that you can do it is you can use a muffin cups like this. Make sure to use the silicone ones because it will be much easier to remove it. So what you do is you just put some of the pumpkin puree in the cup, and then you stack it up, put it in a tray, and then put it in the freezer until it's actually it's totally firm and hard. And then once that it's hard, you just take it out, and then you can transfer it in a Ziploc bag and then store it in the freezer. Then when you need it, you can just put it in a bowl and put it in the refrigerator to thaw overnight. So that's the first method. You can use a silicone muffin liner. And another one is a Ziploc bag. So all you have to do is to just put the pumpkin puree inside and then flatten it. And then just stack it in the freezer. So now when you're ready to use it, just take it out, put it in the refrigerator to thaw overnight. Or if you're in a hurry, you can remove it from the Ziploc bag and then just microwave it to soften it. Okay, so that's about it, guys. I hope that you like this video and I hope that you'll give it a try. So if you like it, please just give a thumbs up, or you can leave a comment. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. So I'm trying to post as many recipes as I can. So, and make sure to click the bell so that you'll get notified every time I have a new posting. Thank you, guys, and I hope that you like it. Bye!